Hello, today we're making healthy cornbread muffins. We're going to start by taking a half cup of all-purpose flour. To that we're going to add in a fourth cup of grind cornmeal. And this is coarse grind because I like having a corn texture to it. And then now we're going to crack in an egg. This recipe has very little oil and very little sugar. We're adding a tablespoon of oil and that is it. Add in a fourth cup of water and 2 tablespoons of milk to help give it some fragrance. Add in your leavening or your baking powder and your sugar. You can add more or less depending on your personal preference. I'm also adding a few tablespoons of honey, and my honey refused to come out, but bear with me. And we're going to give this all a nice mix. I'm going to speed this up because watching me mix would take forever. Now we're going to add in a third cup of sweet corn. You can use frozen or fresh off the cob, both work. And just mix that into your mixture. Add the batter into your muffin pan, and more details can be found up there on how I made these liners. I like adding them up full and then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes and then just let them cool. Cut right into them while it's still warm. Look at all those corn kernels, and by the way, Dad already mentioned this is low sugar and low oil. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!